The Caribbean is renowned for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant culture, making it a perfect destination for family vacations. Here are some of the best family resorts in the Caribbean, each offering unique amenities and activities tailored for families. Beaches, Turks, and Caicos is an all-inclusive resort located on Grace Bay, offering a wide range of activities for all ages. From Pirates Island Waterpark with water slides, lazy river, and surf simulator, to age-appropriate clubs for infants to teens, including Sesame Street-themed activities. The resort boasts 21 restaurants catering to various tastes, from casual to fine dining, and offers accommodations like family suites and multi-bedroom villas in Providencial, Turks and Caicos Islands. Renowned for its exceptional service and convenience, Beaches, Turks, and Caicos makes an ideal family destination. All-inclusive packages ensure families have everything they need at their fingertips. From the moment you arrive, a warm and welcoming staff is ready to assist with any requests. The resort features a 24-hour front desk, concierge services, and shuttle services within the resort. Childcare and kids clubs are available, allowing parents to relax and enjoy their vacation while children are entertained. The resort features 4 distinct villages, each with its own unique decor inspired by Italy, France, the Caribbean, and Key West. Rooms and suites are spacious, decorated with vibrant colors and elegant furnishings. Amenities include flat-screen TVs, fully stocked minibars, coffee makers, and luxury bath products. Larger suites offer separate living areas and kitchenettes, perfect for families needing extra space. With 21 different restaurants on site, families can enjoy a wide variety of dining options, ranging from casual beachfront grills to fine dining establishments. The resort features international cuisines including Italian, French, Japanese, and Caribbean flavors. There are also several kid-friendly options with special menus designed to please younger palates. All meals, snacks, and drinks are included, with premium spirits and wines available for adults. Beaches, Turks, and Caicos is a paradise for families with its 45,000 square foot water park, featuring water slides, lazy rivers, and splash zones. The resort also offers an array of water sports such as snorkeling, paddleboarding, and kayaking. Kids can enjoy the Sesame Street themed activities, the Xbox Play Lounge, and the Pirates Island Water Park. For adults, there's a full-service spa, golf, and various fitness classes. Evening entertainment includes family-friendly shows, live music, and themed nights. Atlantis Paradise Island is an iconic resort known for its massive water park and marine habitats. The 141-acre Aquaventure water park features slides, river rides, and pools, while the Dig and various lagoons showcase sharks, rays, and tropical fish. Atlantis Kids Adventures offers themed activities and cooking classes, with family-friendly rooms and suites, some with kitchenettes, located in Nassau, Bahamas. Atlantis Paradise Island is famous for its grand scale and luxurious services. The resort offers a seamless check-in experience and concierge services to assist with all your needs. There are shuttle services within the resort and to nearby attractions. Families can benefit from the on-site childcare and babysitting services, allowing parents to enjoy some adult time. The resort's rooms and suites are designed with a contemporary, oceanic theme, featuring light colors and modern furnishings. All accommodations offer beautiful views, whether of the ocean, marina, or lush gardens. Room amenities include flat-screen TVs, high-speed internet, mini fridges, and spacious bathrooms with deluxe toiletries. Family suites provide extra room with separate living and sleeping areas. Atlantis boasts over 21 dining venues, ensuring a diverse culinary experience for all guests. From fine dining at Nobu and Café Martinique to casual meals at Murray's Deli and the Village Burger Shack, there's something for everyone. Families can enjoy themed buffets, and kids will love the fun and friendly atmosphere of Marina Pizzeria. Meal plans are available to make dining more convenient and affordable. The centerpiece of Atlantis is Aquaventure, a 141-acre water park with thrilling water slides, a mile-long river ride, and 11 swimming pools. The resort also offers marine habitats where families can interact with dolphins and sea lions. Other activities include snorkeling, scuba diving, and a kids club with daily activities. For entertainment, there's a movie theater, a casino, and nightly performances including comedy shows and concerts. Grand Palladium Bavaro Suites Resort and Spa is an all-inclusive, luxurious resort located in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. Nestled along the pristine white sands of Bávaro Beach, this expansive resort offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and modern amenities. The resort is part of the larger Palladium Hotels and Resorts complex, providing guests access to an array of facilities and activities across the interconnected properties. Family suites at the resort are spacious and well-equipped, providing ample room for everyone, ensuring comfort and convenience. The resort features dedicated clubs for children and teens, including the Baby Club for ages 1 to 3, Mini Club for ages 4 to 12, and Junior Club for ages 13 to 18, offering age-appropriate activities, entertainment, and supervision. Several swimming pools, including a children's pool with water slides, ensure fun for all ages. The resort also offers snorkeling, kayaking, and other water sports. Daily entertainment programs for all ages, including themed shows, beach games, and interactive workshops, keep the whole family engaged. Dining options are diverse, with on-site restaurants catering to kid-friendly menus and international cuisines, ensuring every family member finds something they love. Personalized services like babysitting, family-friendly excursion planning, and special amenities for kids enhance the family experience. Parents can indulge in the world-class Zentropia Palladium Spa and Wellness Center, while kids enjoy supervised activities. Located in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, Grand Palladium Bavaro Suites Resort and Spa provides excellent service tailored to family needs, including a 24-hour front desk, concierge services, free shuttle services within the resort, on-site medical service for emergencies, and a dedicated family check-in area. Rooms are elegantly decorated with Caribbean-inspired decor, featuring vibrant colors and wooden accents. Family suites offer separate living areas and fully equipped kitchenettes, with flat-screen TVs, minibars, coffee makers, and furnished balconies or terraces. Bathrooms feature hydromassage bathtubs and premium toiletries. The resort offers a variety of dining options with 13 restaurants and 25 bars, including international buffets, a la carte restaurants serving Italian, Mexican, Asian, and Spanish cuisine, beachfront grills, and snack bars for casual dining. Special dietary needs are easily accommodated, and there are plenty of kid-friendly menu options. Activities for families include multiple pools, a dedicated kids' pool with water slides, the Mini Club for children, the Black and White Junior Club for teens, water sports such as kayaking, sailing, and snorkeling, a full-service spa, fitness center, tennis courts, and evening shows with live music and performances. Four Seasons Resort. Nevis offers a luxurious escape with plenty of family-oriented activities. Daily activities at the Kids for All Seasons include arts and crafts, nature walks, and beach games. Teen activities feature sports clinics, movie nights, and adventure excursions. The resort provides diverse dining options with kid-friendly menus and spacious villas and estate homes, ideal for larger families. Located in Nevis, St. Kitts, and Nevis, Four Seasons Resort. Nevis is known for its personalized service and attention to detail. The resort offers a smooth check-in process with personalized welcomes, and concierge services are available to plan excursions and activities. Complimentary transportation around the resort and to nearby attractions is provided. The Kids for All Seasons program offers daily activities, ensuring children are entertained throughout their stay. The rooms and suites at Four Seasons Nevis are designed with a blend of traditional Caribbean style and modern luxury, featuring rich wooden furnishings, tropical colors, and spacious layouts. Each room includes a flat-screen TV, iPod docking station, coffee maker, and minibar. Bathrooms are equipped with deep soaking tubs and luxury bath products. Private villas and residences offer additional space and privacy, perfect for larger families. Dining options at the resort cater to all tastes. Mango serves Caribbean-inspired dishes with stunning ocean views, while Esquilina offers Mediterranean cuisine with a focus on fresh seafood. The Cabana offers poolside dining with a variety of casual options. There are also special dining experiences such as beach barbecues and private dining in villas. Kids' menus and dietary accommodations are readily available. Four Seasons. Nevis provides a wealth of activities for families, including 3 infinity pools, a kids' pool, and an extensive beach area. Water sports include snorkeling, paddleboarding, and sailing. The Kids for All Seasons program offers nature walks, treasure hunts, and arts and crafts. Families can also enjoy golf, tennis, and the resort's nature center. The spa offers treatments for adults, and there are family-friendly wellness activities such as yoga and fitness classes. A Jumby Bay Island, part of the Etker collection, is a private island resort located just off the coast of Antigua. Accessible only by boat, this exclusive retreat is renowned for its unspoiled beauty, upscale accommodations, and intimate atmosphere. The resort spans 300 acres of lush landscapes, pristine beaches, and crystal-clear waters, providing a serene and luxurious escape. Families can choose from spacious villas and estate homes, many with private pools and direct beach access, ensuring privacy and luxury. The dedicated children's program, Rosebuds, offers a range of engaging activities, including nature walks, arts and crafts, cooking classes, and outdoor adventures, with special attention given to creating educational and fun experiences tailored to different age groups. Professional nanny services are available to provide personalized care for younger children, allowing parents to enjoy some leisure time. Families can enjoy a variety of activities together, such as guided snorkeling tours, biking, tennis, and sailing. The resort also offers family-friendly movie nights and beach barbecues. Multiple dining venues offer menus that cater to children, with options to satisfy even the pickiest eaters. The resort's chefs are also happy to accommodate special dietary needs and preferences. The island's natural environment provides unique opportunities for children to learn about local wildlife, including the endangered hawksbill sea turtles, which nest on the island's beaches. With several pools and expansive beaches, children can safely swim and play while parents relax nearby. The resort provides all necessary beach gear, including toys, snorkeling equipment, and paddleboards. While kids are engaged in activities, parents can unwind at the Jumby Bay Spa, which offers an array of treatments designed to rejuvenate and relax. Located in Antigua and Barbuda, Jumby Bay Island is a luxurious, all-inclusive resort, offering unparalleled service. From private airport transfers to personalized concierge services, every detail is handled with care. The resort provides complimentary bicycles for exploring the island and a dedicated kids concierge to help plan family-friendly activities. Babysitting services are available, allowing parents to enjoy some alone time. The resort's accommodations include rooms, suites, and villas, all featuring elegant Caribbean decor with luxurious touches. Rooms are spacious and offer stunning views of the ocean or gardens. Amenities include flat-screen TVs, Nespresso machines, minibars, and outdoor showers. Villas and estate homes offer additional space with private pools, fully equipped kitchens, and dedicated staff. Jumby Bay offers a variety of gourmet dining options with a focus on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. The estate house offers fine dining with a Mediterranean influence, while the veranda serves Caribbean-inspired cuisine in a more casual setting. Poolside and beachside dining options are available, and the resort offers themed nights and special dining experiences. Children's menus and special dietary requests are easily accommodated. Jumby Bay Island offers a range of activities to keep families entertained. The resort features multiple pools, including a family pool and an adult-only pool. Water sports such as snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding are available. The Hawksbill Turtle Project allows families to learn about and participate in conservation efforts. The resort also offers tennis courts, a fitness center, and guided nature walks. The Rosebuds Kids program provides daily activities for children, including arts and crafts, cooking classes, and outdoor adventures. These resorts provide a range of amenities and activities that cater to families, ensuring a memorable Caribbean vacation for guests of all ages. In addition, they offer exceptional family-friendly experiences, blending luxury and comfort with an array of activities and amenities designed to delight guests of all ages.